Now guys, let's move on. There is a brand new tire, the Pirelli Diablo Rosso Corsa 4. Nice red, so everybody knows that's a Corsa. Oh, wait a minute, have to. Yes, it's better. Oh man. Now, first we're gonna put those rubber dampers back in. Is that difficult? No. Easy. One over here. Some of them are broken, I noticed. But I don't think it's a big problem. And let's see which one goes. This one was over here, and that one is over there. Wait a minute. I think, yes, it's better. This one belongs here, and this one belongs there. Come on. Then over here we have this one, goes in here. Then be careful that your rear sprocket don't drop out, which they love to do. We get the caliper, and the caliper also sliding into there. And guys, I can bit to that side. Hey, haha. Wait a minute, a bit. Yes. Caliper slowly into his place, and then ride it forward. Over there is this aluminium and the caliper needs to slide onto it, and that just happened. So then look on this side. Okay, that's also all right. And then if you look carefully over here, maybe like this, I have this wedge, see, and I put it underneath the tire to get it a bit upwards. See, a bit more. Lift the tire up, wiggle it a bit more up. Yes, I think this is not good. The tire is a bit like this. So what I can do is now lower it a bit. Wait a minute. Yes, now the tire is nicely vertical. And now again my wedge. Hop, see? Oh, perfect. Yes. We're gonna take the axle. And the axle is over here. Put it in it. Okay, let's see. over here there is a bit of sand, so I'm gonna clean it a bit. Clean it. Yes. Okay. Yes, then guys, I have just EP grease. Any grease will do. It prevents the axle from rusting. Give it a nice coating. Actually, this is really easy. If you have a motor stand like this, you can do it yourself. And you're sure that everything is absolute perfect. Because you don't have to skip, I say, skip corners. Oops. So, now, like this. Yes. The axle goes in from this side. And as you can see, there is a bit of an imprint. So I'm gonna put it the same way. And see it? See it? You can see it? It slides in here. So wait a minute. Wiggle it a bit. And yes! Can do it actually all by hand. Up here. Ta-da! Now I see some sand over there. And yes, yes. This one, see, also a bit of a dent. So it was in like this, which is good. Then a washer and the nut. Get my wedge out of the way, and this tire is, see. Hoppakee. Wow, guys. And don't forget to pump your rear brake pads, because to get more space I push them back. So yes, there he is. Oh wow. Yes. Job done. Job done. Guys, this is 100 Newton meters, but we have to link the chain again. So that's for in the next days.